Paul Jackson. Today I'd like to talk to you about the PEST or STEEPLED Analysis. The PEST and STEEPLED Analysis looks at the external factors that affect an organisation. It was originally PEST, but this has evolved over the years to consider more factors from outside the organisation's direct remit. So let's look at each letter in turn. The first S stands for social. These are the social factors that might affect the organisation, its customers, and how it puts its strategy together. Next we have T. T is for technical aspects. So if an organisation has a very technical bias in its product or marketplace, it needs to consider this. It also needs to make sure that its systems and technology are moving along with its competitors. The first E is for ethics. The organisation needs to have an ethical policy and make sure that its behaviour is in line with this ethical mandate. The next E is the environment. The organisation needs to think about how it is impacting on the environment, its use of resources and pollution and things like that. Next we have P. In many organisations, the political infrastructure may have a bearing. So a change in political party may change its strategy, and it needs to consider this. The L is for legislation. Is there legislation in the local environment, local market, that's going to affect the organisation? If so, it needs to consider this, understand it, and make sure its strategy reflects this legislation. Final E is for the economy. The economy is important to the organisation, for example, people's spending power or its cost base. The organisation needs to consider this. It may also consider things like exchange rates and gross domestic product, GDP. And finally we have the final letter, which is D. D is for demographics. So if an organisation has a marketplace with a cross-section of different types of people, it needs to consider this demographic. How are the population ageing? What's the male-female mix, and so on. So in conclusion, the STEEPLED model, as it is now known, looks at the external factors that affect an organisation. I hope this has been of use, and thank you for watching.